This to this.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark.
Beautiful, welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel. In today's video we have a soft glam tutorial. If you have not yet, do go ahead and click subscribe down below, give the video a thumbs up and comment down below what other video you'd like to see. Now let's get into the video. Okay, as usual, I'm going to go in to cleanse the face first with the micellar water and baby wipe. Okay, if you notice, we didn't do eyebrow in this video because I have a very detailed and updated eyebrow tutorial coming your way. So this is the more reason why you should subscribe already, okay? So I went in to tone the face and I'm using the Adventure Sweat Block, you know. And as I'm toning, I'm still seeing dirt. So this is like my favorite step in skin prepping before makeup. So next I went into the Moist Essence Moisturizer by Blossom Makeup. I'm just going to apply that all over her skin. And under the eyes needs a lot of moisture, so I'm just going to apply that and let it sit. Okay, after the moisturizer had settled into her skin, I did go into a primer and I used the classic primer and I just applied that all over, and this time around I used my brush. I feel like with me creating content and doing makeup on different skin type and face shape, it has helped me improve. Like the more I do it, the more I find out that okay, there's something I can get better at. Okay, so I feel like this is just like a learning curve for me, and I'm really grateful and happy that I can do this. And my apologies for the blur footage, like I didn't realize it, so I'm just going to speed the whole process. But I went in with the Blossom Makeup foundation in shade 11, the brownish foundation. So yeah, everything is just me just learning and learning and learning, and it can only get better. Okay, moving on, I did go into the Blossom multi sculpt lip palette and I mixed the shade. I mixed the dark brown, but it turned out a little purple. I don't know why, but then it's still okay. Fix it. So I just used that to contour and blending. You have to blend. Like I was already sweating while blending. Blending is key, so make sure you blend. Okay. Next, I didn't go. I went in with the concealer, Adventure Concealer, and I did mix the Blossom concealer. I just added a tad bit to it, and I did go in heavy with the highlighting concealer. I don't know why I did that, but I just did that, you know. But as usual, we're going to blend and blend and blend. You see me go, oh my goodness, like I just have to just get into the client's face and just make sure I blend everything. So you will see weird positions that I'm in, all just so that I could blend. But it's okay, it's okay. The concealer must be blended because I don't want her looking crazy outside. Now I'm going in to set the highlighted area first before I go in to set the rest of the face. And I'm going light-handed with the powder. I'm just tapping it into the skin. I'm not sweeping, I'm just tapping it. Now I'm just setting the entire face slash contouring the areas that I applied the liquid contour on the face. So I'm setting the entire face and as well contouring. And I'll be contouring the nose as well. So now I just went in with a clean brush, just a bit of powder, and I just blended everything, both the highlighting, the contour. I just used this brush to just blend everything. Then I went in with a blush. Now for each step that I apply, I do go back in with a clean brush to blend it so that there are no harsh lines. So I'm just zooming you guys into, I'm trying to snatch the nose. I don't have a straight hand, I don't have a steady hand rather. So the contouring is a little bit, you know, but it's fine. I don't have a steady hand and it's okay. So I'm just going to place the powders in these areas just to brighten. Then I did go in with a darker powder just to do a reverse contour under the areas where I contoured, you know, just to snatch. And I also dusted off the powders immediately, or almost immediately. I just left it for 30 seconds. So now I'm just blending and dusting off those excess powders. If you have not yet, do go ahead and click the subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comment section, and as well give the video a thumbs up as it helps me know that you enjoy this kind of content. So for the eyes, we're not doing anything too much. I just went in with that brown powder that I used for the contour and I just applied that on the eyes. Like, it's very simple and it's very easy. Anybody can do this, even if you're a beginner at makeup. I used just one brush to just apply that all over the eyelid. Now for the arc of the brows, I did go in with a clean brush and a tiny amount of powder just to set that brow bone area and also blend between the brown eyeshadow and the highlighted areas. And that's basically it for the eyeshadow. Nothing too much. I went in with eyeliner. I was so close to my client's face that I was just covering the camera, so that's why I didn't add the footage here. But I did go ahead to apply eyeliner and mascara. Mascara is by GLAM Makeup as well. for all the products used, do check out the description bar below for all products. Went in with the Voan beauty lashes, and as well my head was in the camera. I'm so sorry guys. So I did go in to dust off the excess under the eyes. Then I applied mascara, and look at that eyes. Can you see that eyes? So I'm basically just going back in to sharpen the lines of the brows, because usually after I'm done with skin makeup and I have brows on, I tend to touch it. So I just did that, and I went into the lips. I would create a detailed lip tutorial, because for this the footage was not complete because they took the light. So after this I went in to set the entire face, and the look was complete. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.
Bubbles, we holding our liquor down. If it's a problem, I'll go to the bar and I shut it down. Get out my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce.